In this video, we are going to take you on a few spring activities that every year reminds us that summer is just around the corner. We're starting off with obviously the cherry blossoms. We'll take you to the biggest Asia festival here in Auckland and also the Diwali celebration in the city. So stay tuned for some summer vibes. We are in Puriri Drive, which is close to Cornwall Park, to see cherry blossoms. This is kind of a secret spot, so there's not too many people around. It's just one line of cherry blossoms with a green grass. You can take so many pictures here with no one else in there. I feel like they waited a little bit longer to get out this year than in the rest of New Zealand, but it's so nice to enjoy them. And as soon as we see the cherry blossoms each year, it's like at the end of September, start of October, then we know it's almost summer. Enjoy them with us. It seems like pink and white is also trending in the clothing stores right now. So I thought I'd get this dress and a bow to do a little photo shoot here at the trees. Craig wasn't so keen on pink, but green.
Matching the grass.
Matches the green in my dress. The trees here at the beginning of the, like, what do you call it, the row of cherry blossoms, have the most cherry blossom flowers.
This is really nice, yeah.
It's 3 days later and I'm back at Cornwall Park. There's plenty of parking along Pohutukawa Drive, or if you go all the way to the top and turn right at the circle, you'll be at the top of where the cherry blossoms are. So it's going to be very interesting to see what they look like today, because it's 3 days later and we've had lots of wind and rain since Sunday when we last filmed. I think this is the best place to come and see the cherry blossoms. They planted these small ones last year and they're blooming really nicely, and then they have the bigger ones right here at the top. There's this section and also over there. It is busy. It's busier than I thought. It's a Wednesday at like 10 AM and there's lots of people everywhere. It's quite spread out because there are a lot of trees here. It's a canopy of pink underneath those trees. Unfortunately, it's a little bit muddy because of the rain, but you can still do a picnic over there if you wanted to, if you had a nice blanket. And just across the pathway there's more trees. So you have the cherry blossoms at the top here at Cornwall Park, but then there's a pathway going down and it's almost like a cherry blossom lane, and they're lined with the trees. They're not blooming as much as they have in the past, I don't think, but I'm going to show you anyway. If you parked along Pohutukawa Drive, which is just there, this is where you will enter along this cherry blossom lane. You just follow it all the way to the top and you'll see where all of the cherry blossoms are. So we've actually been coming to check on the cherry blossoms for the last 3 weeks, and I think today it's looking its best. Like, it is so pink and so beautiful and the trees are full, and I wonder how many times I've said cherry blossoms in this video so far. I should have gotten a coffee before coming here and just sit and enjoy being in nature, but I'm going to show you one more place where you can see sakura. And if you're wondering, parking is actually free here. Our last stop is Auckland Domain. The cherry blossom trees are just behind the bowling club, which is over there. They have parking and it's $2.25 for half an hour. Then you're nice and close to where the trees are, and it just started raining. It's actually pouring now. I'll take cover underneath this big tree. Oh my goodness. Just suddenly. Usually the rain buckets down for a few minutes, then it passes over, so I hope that's what's going to happen. I'm going to wait it out. The nice thing here is that there's a nice pathway going through the trees, and there's hardly ever a lot of people here. Like right now, there's nobody else. The wind also started up now. Oh my goodness, should I just call it? I don't know. I really want to show you though. We're going to take a quick walk through in the rain. I think Cornwall Park is probably the busiest for a very good reason. They are not blooming as much here, but it's still very pretty. There's nice and green grass where you can sit and have a picnic, getting soaked. This video was supposed to be all about things that make us feel like summer is close, and now I'm showing you rain. It is still crazy to me how there can be such a big, massive green space so close to the city. The city is literally just over there. Within walking distance. Of course, the ideal would be to come here on a sunny day, or even sunset from here would be really nice. But anyway, this is another place where you can see the cherry blossoms. Also, Auckland Botanic Gardens, they also have. So lots of options to come and see these beautiful pink flowers. And that's it. We won't mention them again. Today we're attending the Asia Festival, something we haven't been at before, and it's here at the showgrounds in Auckland. We've also never been here before for an event. Apparently there's going to be lots and lots of food from every corner of Asia, so we're very excited for that. The only challenge is that I have lowered my carb and sugar intake over the last 2 weeks, so let's see if we can find some healthy food, and then Craig will show you all the yummy food.
Yep, because I haven't lowered my carb intake, so I will try everything. You can try the low carb.
Skewers, here we come.
Let's do it.
Literally the first food stall we see, skewers. Yay! Do you want to get some?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's 12 o'clock, so lunchtime. Perfect timing. Actually, they opened at 10 o'clock this morning already.
We got pork belly skewers and they were $4 each. Yum.
There are a few benches around, and looking at everyone sitting down eating their food, the food looks so good, and I can see a few healthy options. Now I know the sauce probably has some sugar in, but it's minimal, so it tastes very close to my favorite South African braai meat, honey glazed pork rashers. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It seems like all the barbecue stations are right by the entrance. There's 3 of them with barbecue grills going.
Flame grilled chicken,
Oh,
one place. So
I might
good.
have to come back to that one.
Oh, hi.
They're grilling the chicken on the fire. It looks so good.
Charcoal fire is so good.
But let's see what else they have. Okay, there's way more barbecue stations than I thought. I'm loving this so far. The smells are so amazing. We are not going to get it today, but we've had from Sip and Chill before, the bingsu, which is shaved ice and like mango. I don't know exactly what it is, but
so
it's
good,
so
though.
good and creamy. We've also found a dragon beard candy stall. The people are dressed up in traditional, where the dragon beard candy is literally just pulled sugar. It's really good though, we've had it before. And then
Tangulu.
Zanghulu, which we had in China. It's fruit covered with melted like sugar that's hardened.
On a stick. There are stores wrapped around the showgrounds, which is quite incredible.
So the layout is really nice because it feels like you're walking through the streets of an Asian country with just street food lining both sides, giving us that vibe.
I feel like I'm back in Asia.
Yeah. We spotted a stand from Thailand, and they have the sticky mango rice. We've never tried it before. Craig's gonna get one just now. I'm just gonna taste it because it looks so good. They have a whole indoor food section as well, but they have that squid game where
To knock over the card.
you flip over the piece of cardboard.
We found another squid game where you get the cookie with the cutout and you got to kind of break the inside out. So
The
it's just behind
Dalgona.
us. What's it called?
The Dalgona cookie.
Dalgona cookie. I went to a Filipino store and I got empanadas, which they call the Filipino pie. I got beef, pork and chicken because it was 3 for $15. So I don't know what this one is, but I don't. This is the chicken a la king one. Really good. The pastry is so soft.
It just as we think, okay, we've seen all the food stalls, there's a whole nother area that we can go into. Wow, this is the biggest food market we've ever been to in Auckland. Is that safe to say?
It is definitely the biggest food market. There's so much.
And there's stores that we haven't seen at the night markets either. A lot of them we have, but there's also that we haven't.
Yeah. So
this is
good.
so exciting. They even have a deep freeze here with the viral ice creams. That's been all over TikTok. We've had it before, so this is what it looks like, but we're not gonna have it today.
I ordered a mango passion fruit tea. I like these iced teas, they're really nice.
Grey got
Vietnamese iced coffees from May Coffee Crew. It is so good. I had a taster. It's like condensed milk.
the
and
problem
coffee.
is Vietnamese coffee is full of condensed milk. Pure sugar.
Perfect after run shot of sugar for me, so
It's really
Yeah.
good though.
yeah. And they had a special for 2, so I got 2.
So the Asian festival isn't only food, they also have a whole business and travel section. So I think that's where we are now. So we're gonna walk through and see what it's like.
They've got some Honda cars here, and Chantal already wants this little convertible.
It's so cute. It's 25 grand. I can zip around the city in that.
It is pretty cute. So
Go on Sunday drives, down Tamaki Drive,
I can see
wind in
it.
my hair.
yep. I could even have fun in it, so
It's tiny though.
yeah.
I have to bend down to open the door even. I could just jump over. Craig found a car that would suit him better.
So Chantal can have that little convertible that's not practical at all, and I'll have this big beast behind me. And I hope it comes with that tent on the roof. Because
I think they're advertising the panel beaters here, not the car.
oh. But look at the size of those tires. Can you imagine what they cost?
Beach drives. They also have a stage with lots of performances throughout the day. We just came across one. The vibe here is absolutely amazing. It feels like we are traveling around Asia without having to leave New Zealand. Inside there are performances and each one is from a different country in Asia, which is pretty cool. And I managed to find something without any carbs. It is a chicken and cashew stir fry with peppers. It's without rice. So she gave me extra and this is like a whole lot of food. Craig's gonna have to help me with this. Tasty. The chicken is a little bit dry, but there's a lot of flavor in here.
And I got sticky mango rice. So never had this before. It's a famous Thai dish, so we'll try it out. Pour it over. Rice with a mango.
Like it doesn't make sense to put that together. And every time I've seen it on people's videos, I'm like, I just didn't get it. But no, I did it.
So good.
Oh,
Table then.
yummy. We just finished our food and it was absolutely delicious and super filling. Just walking around here made us feel like we were traveling around Asia. And today of all days, it's also super humid. So like, it always feels like we're in Asia. No, not even close. But definitely feels like it's the start of summer. It's amazing vibes.
I want so much more food, but I am so stuffed. I can't eat anything else, but I want bows. I want more of the
Skewers.
I want more skewers. I want the little pies that they make here.
I want all the sweet things.
Yep. So unfortunately I'm full. I had too many empanadas early on, and I had half of Chantal's chicken, which was really good.
This will definitely go on our yearly calendar. We have a few events throughout the year that we always want to attend, and this has just been added. The Diwali festival in Queen Street is probably the first massive event we ever came to after moving in Auckland, and it always reminds us that it's like the beginning of the festive season. There are so many people, so much food, lots of performances, and already the smells coming from the streets and the stalls are so amazing.
So most of it takes place in
Aotea Square as well as Queen Street.
Yes.
They close a section off.
It's a big vibe. They have an awesome fireworks display on the Sunday evening, but you have to stay late to see that.
We've done it once, so we're not going to stay up late again for that.
But they have stages set up on the streets, just like in the square, lots going on, a lot of good food, good entertainment, and yeah, good day to be in the city.
This is Aotea Square. There's a massive stage, massive screens with performances on.
It's so cool coming to these events because you see musical instruments that you don't usually see. We came inside there, got a chill lounge, and you get free like turmeric ginger latte, which like chai latte, which is quite nice. It's nice. Eh?
Never had anything like that before. It's turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper. My favorite.
It's really good.
Wow. We bought a packet.
So good.
That was
Like,
$20 for a packet. It makes 40 200ml cups, and you make it with hot milk. They suggest oat milk, and he said it's good for the evenings as it has no caffeine. So
this is nice.
anti-inflammatory properties and
And with
everything.
oat milk, it's you can't go
Yeah,
more healthy.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Very happy with that.
We found a sneaky little photo booth. I don't know if you can wear some of the costumes that they have on the side, but we're gonna try.
Oh, look at that.
It's so cool.
Absolutely beautiful.
Awesome.
And this shirt matches.
Yes. That was so much fun. Hey, did you enjoy that?
It's pretty cool, yeah. Nice to dress up.
Yes, and experience other cultures. We are so spoiled living in Auckland, having access to so many cultures. Craig is getting hangry, had to go through the photo shoot and looking at the performances and everything without eating.
I am hungry
But
now.
guess where we are now?
Food.
The food
so
street.
Much food. Oh, look at that. I do love Indian cuisine, so I'm
One of our
excited.
favorites.
One potato, one cheese. Yeah.
One potato, one cheese.
Yeah. I do love a good curry potato samosa.
Wow.
I don't know what this is, but it's got cheese inside. Different.
We had these pineapple smoothies last year. It comes in a hollowed out pineapple. It's really good.
Yeah. I don't feel like one today, but
Yeah.
it's still good. I ordered a puff bhaji, which is a staple Indian dish. It's basically a vegetable curry with a nice soft buttery roll. In the curry is like tomatoes, coriander, veggies. So it's like almost like a gravy. You dip the roll in and eat it. So it looks pretty good. Warm. Spicy as. It's hot.
It's a bit of a burn.
Kicks
Yep.
in.
Woo. The later you come, the more people there will be. We've been here just before the fireworks, the once, and you hardly can move. Now it's the middle of the day and you don't wait that long for your food, but we're missing out on all those city lights. But it's a Sunday and we want to go chill. Thank you for watching our video. We are ready for summer after all of these festivities. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Is it enough flowers in the background?
Refreshing.
Can I have a sip?
No.
You realize that every single thing almost has... We're sitting across from the NZ police stand. They have a car on display.
And most of it takes place in Aotea?
Aotea Square.
Aotea? Say it again?
Aotea Square. The lens is getting wet now.